Hi, good morning. So one of the viewers asked me to demo the Hill Start Assist on the Honda Gold Wing, and it's pretty straightforward. So what you want to do, let's pretend I'm at a light. I have the emergency brake on now, you can see here. But there's another little icon right here that will light up white. And that tells me Hill Start Assist is enabled. So right now it's not enabled, so I'm going to release the emergency brake and my bike will start to roll backward. So I hit the brake with my hand, and you can see that the Hill Start Assist has been enabled. It shows a little motorcycle on a hill. And let's pretend the light is red at this point. All of a sudden the light turns green. So what I can do is I release the front brake. The icon will start to blink. When it's done blinking, the Hill Start Assist will disable and the bike will start to roll backward. If, however, during the time it's blinking, I roll on the throttle, the brake will be enabled during that time, and I can take off without worry about going backward. So again, drive up to a light, hit the brake once, nothing happens. Hit the brake again, that's when it enables. It won't enable on the first grab. So now it's enabled. I wait, light turns green. I release, it starts to blink. That means I can roll on the gas at this point, it won't go backward. Now that the light has stopped blinking, the bike will roll backward on a steep hill during that time. So you want to make sure that you roll on the gas during the time it's blinking, so that you'll be sure you won't roll backward. I hope that answers your questions. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Goodbye.